Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I am going to give you the second part of this Voyager gameplay. This is very important of grinding your airdrop. You are playing this game for last few months, maybe last few days, whatever. Whenever you have started, you have grinded that much, all right. But now you have to know how you can make your progression registered in this airdrop. First you have to come this dashboard. Basically this is dashboard, and where you can click here directly and come here. For that thing, first of all you have to remember that don't forget to join this Telegram channel. The first thing I share in Telegram, then I come up with videos whenever needed. I do come up with videos. But hope you have already joined, and if you haven't joined, please do join. The link is in the description, as well as don't forget to join the Twitter handle as well. Now what you have to do, you have to come here and check all the things. This is one time part, a one time thing. This is social part. You have to be engaged in Discord, right? This is daily missions. You have to write good morning, good night, whatever thing they are asking. You have to follow the steps and do this as well. Now the special part is basically making like, comment on the things. I have expired, I have missed few things. So the first day I have expired, I have got few tasks that is expired now, but yesterday I have done lots of tasks. You can see those parts I have done, and the amount is 30K. Whatever you are doing, you have to earn this. This technician means probably you are in apprentice, you are in apprentice level 4 5, whatever. You have to come in technician, and after that lots of levels are there. I haven't reached it there, but I'm going there slowly. And how you can come here, and the important part is shop. You have to come here, click on the shop section, and daily chest. Every day you will get some free chests. Keep playing on that, clicking on that, and you will open the chest. If you are lucky enough, you will get some gems, some points, whatever you will get. And those equipment you are getting. So whenever you are getting this equipment, if you are lucky enough, you may get rare, you may get legendary. I have got rare items so far, and if you click on these, then they will show you that if you equip this shirt or whatever equipment you are having, if you equip this, then it will increase your level, increase your bonus or not. So far I have done, and my total bonus is 325%. And some part you may buy with your gems, right? Here if I click on that, I may upgrade my slot, and from 70% bonus to it will give me 72%. I have to pay 7,500 gems. It's a bit costly. Whatever, you may try this. And this part also I may upgrade for from 40% to 41% with paying 500 gems. Apart from that, there are few things you may use to upgrade the slot. If I use 6 water, seawater, then I may upgrade from 65 to 68% bonus. Likewise, if I use 6 copper, then I may increase from 38.5% to 39.75%. These are the stages you may go through, and you need to, the more bonus you are having, the missions, for every mission you will get that much amount. Suppose I am getting well, while I will reach level 40, I will get only 980 gems, but the bonus is 3.19k. That's a huge bonus, you can see. And one more thing you must apply, that you click on special, and this one, contribute PV engine, computer, whatever the engine they are preparing, you just go there and try to contribute anything, right? If you contribute anything, then your level will be increased, not gaming level, but this contribution level will be increased, and you will get some amount of gems. So eventually whatever you are playing there, it will be converted into this, it will be basically reflected into this dashboard. And through this dashboard, whatever progression you are making, like the levels you are going through, and the, like I'm in division technician, second division, then maybe technician third, fourth, fifth division, and after that engineer division will come. So we have to go through these levels. The more the upper level we will get, the more prize we will achieve. And the last part is, if you click on Dinocoin, you can see get open in 26 days, 5 hours, 23 minutes, and all. This is the portion where you can see that how much rank you are holding right now. You can see my current rank is 2128, and if I can finish with this rank, currently I am holding this rank, if I finish after this competition, means after this 26 days, if I finish on this position, I will get 82,372 points, coins, dino coin, and that is on ronin chain, this is written. And here if you come down a bit, then you can see 25,000 prizes are there. So if you are within 25,000 rank, then only you will be eligible to get the prize, otherwise you are not eligible. So play accordingly. If you are seeing that you are in 75,000 rank, or maybe in 1 lakh rank, then you may stop playing, because there is a very little chance to come up within 26 days within that 25k range. But if you are within 25k range, if you are within 10k range, then try to increase your level as much as possible, and you can see the first prize will be that much, 1 crore, means 125 million token. That's a huge token, right? If you are ranked 10th, then also 17 million token you will get. And if you ever get into within 100, then that is also a huge amount. So try to make it within 25,000, and try to come as much higher as possible with your rank. Higher means not near 25, higher means near first. Like, so hope you understood that how to make your improvement registered. Whatever game you are playing, play, carry on there, but you have to register here, so that you will get your prize. And every now and then you come here and check your progression. That's all, my friends. Hope you are getting this game very interesting. So grind this game another 26 days. Hopefully we all will get some good amount of dino coin, and hopefully the dino coin will be much more profitable for us, because this game is supported by Zihos, which team has supported Pixel. Hope you all have played Pixel already. So that has given a good amount of profit already. And we are hoping that this game will also give us a good profit. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.